Today, we're talking about one of the best drones for photography, so you can capture breathtaking views like this. Drones have revolutionized the way we capture photos and videos. They allow us to see the world from a new angle and capture moments that were once impossible to photograph. But with so many drones on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. That's why, based on our own experience and research, we're highlighting this drone that is just perfect for photography. So whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, this drone is perfect for your photography needs. The link to find the best price the drone featured in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started.